All the birds left.
There's a bird literally, they're fighting to sit on things because there's literally too many, not enough metal.
That is quite the birdhouse.
That's what they used to call Highland. There we went there.
Oh, here it comes.
Oh, there wasn't enough, so they invited
Here comes the swarm.
That's from Bay Street and Dundas there. Dundas, buddy. They're all coming from Mississauga. Oh, now they're... Oh, Mark.
You're kidding me.
I've never seen
so many
They're
birds.
still coming.
What is this? This is some Harry Potter shit. You're kidding me.
They're migrating.
Oh my god. Look at this. This is so trippy.
Look, another one.
You're kidding me. This is fucked.
They all just left.
That was fucked. That is like